We have the very high-speed machining center here, which gives you about 60 meters per minute rapid with 24,000 RPM high-speed spindle with HSK 40, which can machine very high precision, critical, complex parts, but smaller parts. And that's where we are here to show you the Techium machines. I am Mihir Baxi, President Global Sales of Jyoti CNC Automation Ltd. Jyoti CNC Automation Ltd, a company manufacturing based in India, started in 1989 and growing very fast in making CNC machines with a completely integrated manufacturing plant based in Rajkot. And also we have a subsidiary called HURON GRAFFENSTADEN SAS in Strasbourg in France. I am welcoming all the visitors to EMO 2025, which is 50th year of EMO, and incidentally HURON is also participating from last 50 years. Kindly visit our town of technology to witness our technology.